Hey guys, this is going to be the last stock that I'm going to break down this morning, and that is Aapl, or ticker symbol AAPL. If you haven't seen my other videos, I broke down NEO, Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, so go ahead and check those out. And I do break these down every single morning, Monday through Friday. So if you want to stay tuned for those, please hit that like and subscribe button. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. So yesterday we closed at up almost 0.20%, and right now we're down almost 0.5 and fluctuating between 20%. So nothing crazy. Let me check the volume real quick. The volume, we're at 268, so we're above that 150,000 that we like to see. I'm going to go ahead and explain to you what these lines represent and what they mean. Like I said before, we're on the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. It allows us to find our support and resistance lines, our entries, our exits, and all that good stuff. So this top line is obviously our major resistance line. You can see that from back here. I don't know why this keeps freezing on me. You can see that we got rejected in this area over here. We were chopping around underneath over here, and we kind of came up in the same vicinity over here and pushed this back down to this level. So this line represents a minor support or minor resistance area. And we can look left like Beyonce says. We kind of came up in this area and got rejected. We're not really close enough to count that one. But over here, you can see that we were rejected and ultimately gapped up above here. What works as resistance will work as support on the opposite side. You can see we came up, hit our resistance up here, came down and started bouncing off of this minor support. Look back over here, we're back underneath. You can see that we came up, got rejected, came up, got rejected, finally came up again, retested, and finally broke above. Like I said, it kind of came close to our resistance area and ultimately got pushed back down to our minor support level. So getting in as of right now is definitely a possibility because we are on this support or this minor support that's been tested and heavily tested. This back down here is our major support level. This is our lowest level tested, and you can see that we bounced over here, bounced a couple times over here, and then over here. So this is our bottom one. And this red line represents the downtrend that we were in, so don't worry about that. I'll go ahead and get rid of that. All right, so let's go into where we're at right now. We're at 127.95 pre-market. Like I said, we have this bottoming tail, but we're right on top of this minor support. So if you wanted to get in, I don't see a problem. You just have to have a tight stop loss. I would maybe have it under this candlestick wick right here, that being at the 126. And your entry would obviously be at the 127 or 128 area. So if we do break below that and we do hit this stop loss, we know to get out and wait for a better entry. However, if we can't, it's definitely possible that we can bounce from this area. And you maybe want to set your first target to the $131 area, and then your second target being at the highest point that's been tested at the $138 area. So those are the one ideal entry that I can say for you guys. I usually give two ideal entries that you guys could get in. Like I said, this would be obviously the more aggressive. What we would like to see is this to come up and come back down and retest this, just to confirm that buyers are stepping up and that buyers are in control. Because as of right now, we can see that we're in this clear downtrend. We're below this trend line. I don't know where my RSI is. Usually it pops up right here, but it's not here for me. Oh, there it is. So it looks like we're oversold, but not quite just yet, and it's trying to create a reversal. But other than that, like I said, you could get in. It'd just be very aggressive. I would wait for further confirmation for us to come up and come back down, either create a higher low, so that'd be the start of an upward trend, or if we can come up and come back down and retest this 128. Either way, we don't want to see this create a new low. Because if we do, then we know exactly that this support is no longer holding, and we're riding back down to our next support level or area. So I mean, that's the only ideal entry I can give you guys as of right now because of the clear direction that we're in. Other than that, if we do not bounce from this area and we just break below this support level and we start coming down, I'll make another updated video in a day or so to kind of give you guys another area where we could either pivot or bounce from. And so stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoy the videos or the stocks that I break down fast and efficiently, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content Monday through Friday for you guys. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.